Certain practices, including touching the bodies of those who have died from Ebola, can spread the virus further. While we grieve for those we have lost, we must do everything we can so that we do not lose another and get into a cycle of grief.
So the US is many more times than our GDP. And we are here accepting money, 1 billion shillings, to expose Kenyans to Ebola. The government must be careful and must retrospect and must backtrack, because we must not accept that kind of experimentation. It will be too costly for our economy. It will be too costly for our lives. It will be too costly for Kenya. Na hiyo maneno, hakuna Mkenya hata moja nimeona, other than yule anafanyia serikali kazi. Hakuna Mkenya mmoja hivi nimeona anasema leta Ebola Kenya.